So I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the fresh new Beats Fit Pro. Now, I'm super excited to check these earbuds out, which currently sell for $200 and come with a slightly enhanced design from the Beats Studio Buds, which released a few months ago. Now, the box design is nice for sure. It looks pretty fancy. I've also got these in black, and you can get the Beats Fit Pro in 4 different colors. So they've got black, white, purple, and gray. And we'll take a closer look at the color options later in this video. All right, but as far as getting these little pull tab things off, almost got it. Almost there. All right, we got it. All right, so it should just slide out pretty easy now. Okay, now we've got another box within a box. All right, one more time, and boom, there we go. Okay, definitely looks nice for sure. Happy with the color choice. Now, the carrying case is obviously small enough to fit in the palm of your hand. Looks like we've got probably a user manual in here. All right, yeah, a little charger. We got some Apple Music. Instruction manual. And of course, we've got a Beats sticker right here. Love these stickers they throw with their headphones. Pretty cool. Okay, and then yeah, pretty straightforward. You're gonna have like some little earbud tips you could switch out in this packaging here, and then you've got like a little charger. Okay, so here it is, guys. Let's take a look at this. Pretty cool. It's got a smooth matte finish, and it's got a clamshell opening, right? So this is actually a little bit different than the Beats Studio Buds, which we'll take a look at shortly. Next, I wanted to pull these up on Apple's website to go over some of the different color options as well as some of the specs. So like I said, you've got 4 colors: black, white, which I would definitely recommend not getting. They'll get dirty super quick; stone purple, which look really nice; and then sage gray. Now, these earbuds come with an H1 chip for audio sharing, automatic switching, adaptive active noise cancellation, transparency mode, spatial audio, IPX4 rated, and they get a 6-hour battery life. Now, the one thing I do really like about the design on these compared to the Beats Studio Buds is that they've got the wing tip on them, which is going to help, these stay in your ear better, right? Now, I also want to pull up the Beats Studio Buds since we're on Apple's website because they are an alternative. You can get these in 3 different colors. They sell for $50 cheaper. Right now, they're actually a little bit more than that, a little bit more of a discount. And then you've got white, black, and red. Now, you can get these in red, which I do like. Thing about the Beats Studio Buds, they give you 8 hours of battery life, so you do get a better battery life on these. But, I do really like the wingtip design you're going to get on the Beats Fit Pro. And since I own the Beats Studio Buds, I'm actually going to grab them so we can compare the two. Now, design-wise, they do look very similar, but when it comes to opening the case, it's a little bit easier on the Beats Studio Buds. The Beats Fit Pro have like a clamshell opening, and you kind of have to grab the back of it to open it, which is a little bit tricky, I guess. And you can see I'm actually struggling for a second here, but there we go. Okay, but as far as the design of these earbuds, definitely leaning to the wingtip design because they're going to stay in your ear a lot better. So let's actually get them out and, take a look at them. Yeah, dude, I really like that wingtip for sure. Just holding up to the camera so you guys can see them. All right, very cool. All right, I'm going to put them down. I'm actually going to grab an iPhone so we can connect these via Bluetooth and maybe test out the sound quality on them. Got my iPhone 13 mini right here. Now, just a tip, and this works kind of the same way with all of these, Beats earbuds. In order to get them to connect wirelessly for the first time, you want to make sure that one of them is actually in the carrying case, because if you just kind of leave it open like this, you can connect the button and press the button for it to connect, but for whatever reason, it's not going to connect until you actually put one of the earbuds in the case, which you're going to see right here. So just showing you an example of this. Okay, yeah, as soon as I put them in, they showed up in the Bluetooth options, and then when I put both of them in, it's going to actually do the little pop-up right here, and boom, we've got our connection going on. Okay, so obviously I am using an iPhone, for the connection example, but these will work on all Android phones as well. Now, I wanted to try to test out the sound quality on these and hold them up to the camera for you guys so you can hear them. So bear with me for a second, and we're going to do that. Okay, cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing on the Beats Fit Pro. I'm going to be doing some comparison with these earbuds, especially with the Beats Studio and the AirPods 3 in upcoming videos. Please tap that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Thanks for watching it, and we'll see you guys in the next video.